This is Wolfie with his new super awesome cool remote control helicopter. Put your hood back on, it's cold out here. Alright, just do your thing, man. Wah, wah, wah. Dude. Alright, this time it's going to be super awesome. Right?
Yeah, we'll hope so.
Yeah, let's hope so. Alright, ready? Go. Stop! Don't ruin the blades! I know, but that's not good for the blades. Here, let's see what it looks like close up. Show me. Whoa. Okay, third time's the charm. This time is going to be the time you get it almost to the tree. I can just feel it in my bones. And apparently you're feeling it in your butt.
Stupid pants.
What's the deal?
Go.
That was really good, except for the crash landing on the cement. That was really good.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're getting the hang of it. Let's try to get it out into the grass this time, okay?
Yep.
All right.
I'm through this, but I'm not really through this little joystick.
Yeah, I know. It's complicated. It takes time to get these things good.
Maybe when I get back inside, can I have some wheat thins?
Yeah, wheat thin request out of nowhere, sure. We're going inside soon because I'm going to get pneumonia. It's cold out here.
What's ammonia?
Pneumonia is like super sick.
Okay.
All right. Stop it before you break the blades. Wolfgang? We'll try one more time and then we're going in because it's cold. And we've been out here for a long time.
Like how long? Half an hour or something?
1,000,000 years. Like longer than a half an hour.
Really?
Yeah, because you were out here even before I came out with you. Go, 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 go! Yeah, stop! Yeah, dude!
One more time.
All right, one more time. And then seriously, this is the last time because my nose is running.
Oh yeah, I see it.
He sees it. No, Wolfie, it's not running. I just like to make up random disgusting things to tell you for no good reason at all.
Why?
To see how gullible you are. Yeah, my nose is running. It's cold out here and I'm sick. I don't care if this is a good or bad one. We're going in after this. What do you think? Not bad.
No.
All right.
Put
Go.
this on Twitter or Facebook or something.
So you can be more famous than you already are? All right, then say goodbye to all your fans.